Hi everybody and welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to do a little bit something different. We're going to do a takeaway because we usually have a takeaway on a Saturday night. We don't usually review them and stuff, but maybe we think we should. So tonight we're going to go to the UMAI sushi restaurant. UMAI sushi restaurant. But before we go any further, we'd like to thank all our new subscribers that have just joined us. So welcome on board. I hope you enjoy what we do. As always, if you've enjoyed our videos, please give us a thumb up. And also share it with your friends if you can, because that really helps YouTube go along as well. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So we're going to record the screen so you can actually see how we order through them. And it's recording already, I believe. So we'll do that and then we'll get the order. Okay, I hope you can hear us, but yeah, so we've arrived just around the corner. The restaurant is just a pick up and then leave. Safety first. Here we go. God, the streets are so quiet.
I'll be particularly disappointed if they're actually not open. No, that's ultimate.
No, they're shut.
Okay. Yay! So, turn of events, they were closed, and we actually received a text like a couple of minutes after we ordered that they are closed and they have refunded our money. So now we're gonna go to the Rendezvous. It's a Chinese restaurant that Garrett has always talked to me about. So we're just gonna order here. Take away. So we want one soup, barbecued spare ribs with Peking sauce, the crispy duck roll as well, deep fried shredded beef in chili sauce. Can we have a side order of fried rice? And I will get roast pork chow mein. Okay, so 15 minutes or 10 minutes? 10 minutes, circle. Okay, good. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. 10 minutes?
Hola!
Yeah, so we're back, and as you can see, there was a bit of drama, but don't make a negative out of something, make a positive. We landed up in the Rendezvous restaurant, which we've been trying to get a takeaway for a long time.
He's been talking about it. Every time we go to Prince Ferry Street, Prince Ferry Road, that we should go there. So, well, there you go. It was just fate.
It was fate.
So I'm gonna have
your soup.
This is my wonton soup,
and I think this
is my pork, my char siu pork chow mein. This will be pork crackers,
and this will be my ribs.
And what
so the Edinburgh Rendezvous is an old restaurant, Chinese restaurant in Edinburgh. It's been here a long time.
So, this is the crispy duck roll. Is that it?
So that's ribs. Looks good.
And this is my.
They're supposed to be. Oh yes, in the bottom.
Wonton soup. Oh, that looks good, guys. Nice.
That noise you can hear.
That'll be my chow mein.
Mr. Gizmo going into the bag.
Gizmo likes anything that has to do with cardboards or paper bags.
A cat in a bag.
Cat in the bag.
He's obsessed with them.
Right.
Bon appetit.
Does this have any sauce? Oh, no sauces for this. Oh, alright. Right, so this is a crispy duck roll.
So,
It's crispy duck with veggies in it. Hopefully no green beans. We don't like the green beans.
Oh. This is nice. Just vegetables then.
It's gonna be the same vegetables as this one. Not really.
So, as you can see, this is nice and tender.
No. Let's leave that there. Let's try this barbecue.
I'm not sure how much fun this is really watching it eating, but this is nice.
We'll edit it.
Usually, I don't order sauce on the Chinese because I tend to find they give you the worst bones. And it's hidden by the sauce, which is nice.
Ooh, what would be good with this is spicy vinegar. Filipinos love our spicy vinegar. So, top tip, spicy vinegar. If you have like the vinegar that we use that one. Fine vinegar. Put vinegar in it, onions, fine chopped. Garlic, press it. It's actually better to press it. Put it there. Put some chilies in it or chili flakes, and then put some vinegar, and then let it stew. Before you prep all of what you need to do, and then by the time the food's done, you'll have this really rich vinegar spicy sauce that is die for. Sometimes you can put salt and or soy sauce. I tend to just put some, the sea salt flakes. It's a better taste in it. And
What you did the other night was good.
just ask me. Let's try this wonton soup. So, ooh, for wontons, that's very generous actually. Some places just put in two. This is quite nice. Broth is good. Typical wonton or soup, Chinese broth soup.
So for all of this, was it £27?
Yeah, 28 pounds.
Alright. That's okay actually, because we were going to spend about that in the...
10 more. It is Japanese, but normally we were supposed to have, it's actually more than that, it's around 50 quid, but yeah, 20% off of it.
It is about time though that takeaways in the UK got on top of their plastic use, because this could all have been in cardboard, which can be recycled.
Yeah, or not cardboard. I think what they're
But it's
using is
cardboard.
bamboo based.
Yeah.
Bamboo based.
I mean, yeah, we use all this for freezing stuff, but oh, that's that. I got the shredded chicken, the shredded beef.
It won't be as crispy
The
though.
trouble is that when you have a takeaway, it loses the crunch.
At the top of it is. Oh, it looks okay though.
Yeah, it looks okay actually, because usually it goes into that, that mushy.
Want some wonton soup?
No. You go for it.
It's Chinese, so kind of always want some noodles. Maybe I need to change it up a bit. Is it how you?
You can hear before they were thinner, but you can still hear that crunch. And it's got a nice honey kind of chili
Nice.
taste.
One.
I've noticed as I've got older that actually, stick for that, I'm really enjoying spice. I don't know. Maybe you lose taste buds and spice is okay. You need to sauce.
Sauce.
Yeah?
Garlic there.
Good. Cornflower.
Ginger.
Chili.
Chili?
No,
Garlic.
garlic, sorry. So I'm starting to learn how to do a few Chinese stuff, and I noticed that this is probably a cornflour coating.
Yeah, I think it is, yeah.
And that's how they get it nice and crispy, because I never could understand how they got it nice and crispy, but it's the use of cornflour.
Some people put corn flour and flour. Some people just put flour. Depends on how fast you want it.
This is so garlicky, it's lovely.
Yeah, this has we love garlic and onions. Well,
it's pretty much like I remembered I have to say. The only thing is this is thicker. Like before they were really like fine shreds. This is like thick shred.
I'm finishing. I have half of this, and then I have a bit more.
I'll be finishing that today. So I hope you guys have been having an okay time with this new lockdown, and that you're trying to keep your chin ups.
If you're in
Chin
the
ups.
UK,
I'm not calling you saying you've got double chins, but chin ups.
Chin ups are different.
Yeah.
Chins up.
Chin up, yeah. And that you're kind of just getting through it the best you can. And don't forget, as we always say, you can always send us a wee message. If you're needing support or anything like that, we're more than happy to offer it. We're just putting on the best we can.
Like anyone else.
Yeah, doing the best you can. And I think doing things like this helps us. And
Also,
you're reading a lot these days, and I've gone YouTube mad.
reading
all
like,
sorts of YouTube stuff.
But for those who are not gay, reading like, as in like proper reading and not reading him. Okay.
Like, where did you get that shirt? Can't read it. No man.
He loves Harry Potter. No, it's not that. Taking away the onions, I really don't like how do you call this? Overcooked onions. If they're like actually uncooked, that's fine with me. I can deal with that. But cooked has a taste that I don't like. So let's try this
And
one.
you want to chime in, which is full of onions.
That could actually be the best chow mein here in Edinburgh.
See? I literally have been going on about the rendezvous for a long time. Because we mean to go in there for dinner, but all this has happened, so it's kind of like it's not been possible. But Rendezvous is a really cracking Chinese restaurant, if you like your Chinese food.
But hello, MSG.
Okay. And
Definitely.
what I remember is really great service and friendly staff and everything there. And the gentleman that served us tonight, he was very friendly, wasn't he? And I mean, he wouldn't let us into the restaurant, and quite rightly so, because we're not allowed at the moment. But they actually got it ready for us really quick, didn't they? So thank you.
Yeah, that's good with Rendezvous. So they had us. They said no, you can't come in. Go outside, order the food, and then once it's ready, they come in and then we do the payment. So in and out like in 2 minutes, even less. So
Very good.
great. And then they all had the hand sanitizers at the door, and they say they're really welcoming as well.
Yeah.
Very good service. So can't wait to go there for a proper
food, because I mean, it's like being in somebody's house.
Yeah.
It's one of those kind of Chinese. It's cracking. Love it.
So hopefully you guys don't mind the mess.
No, we made it right nice.
And you've enjoyed our how to call this, a review of Rendezvous. UMAI next time when they're open.
When you're open again.
And then yeah.
So this is Saturday night, and we're going to watch RuPaul's Drag Race. Season 13. episode 3. So,
And the UK Masked Singer.
and the UK Masked Singer.
It's actually great.
Which
It's
is
entertaining.
Yeah.
It's entertaining. Right.
Thanks, guys.
Always remember to
Live your fullest life.
always
Subscribe.
subscribe.
Thumbs up. Share. And just share your love with everybody.
Yes. And for all our other recipes in the past, you can always go on. See, I always fall in love with this. www.thericeandtattiesboys.co.uk.